In this video, we're looking at calculating the percent if it's an increase or a decrease. So for example, it says the price of a book decreased from $15 to $12. What was this decrease as a percent? And so when we're thinking about this, specifically what it means is, what is this decrease as a percent of the original price? So when we're solving problems like this, often it helps to pick out the information that we know. So I would start by listing what the original price is, which in this case was 15. So I'm going to write the original price is $15. The new price is $12. And so then the first thing we want to do is, what was the change? And the change price, if it went from 15 to 12, the change was $3. So if I want to calculate a percent, the first thing I'm going to do is write a fraction. So my fraction is going to be whatever the change was over the original price. So in this case, that would be 3 over 15. Then, that's not a percent though, that's a fraction. So my first step in turning a fraction into a decimal is to turn a fraction into a percent is to find a decimal. So 3 over 15 is the same as 1/5, which is 2/10 or 0.2. However, if that's not one that I know off the top of my head, or if it's a more complicated one that doesn't work out nicely, what we do is we would go 3 divided by 15. Gives us the decimal. And once we have a decimal, we're going to multiply it by 100. So that is a 20%. So if the price of a book decreased from $15 to $12, that is a decrease of 20%.